Welcome back to KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tigzozo Media. The story continues. What did the oracle say her name was? Harugumi Kutenda. Startled, I move out of my hiding place, knowing that these two are the ones I have been waiting for, the ones I was told to help. I am what the uneducated would call a witch doctor, and others, gifted. The couple so caught up in their conversation don't see me until I speak from behind them. The man won't hear me. He's deaf. But the woman does. I have been waiting for you. She looks nervous and her husband signs for her as she's holding the baby. I know what you need and we do not have much time. Give me the child. You must complete what you have been told to. She will be safe with me. I will guide her and guard her and protect her with my life. The enormity of what they're about to do hits them as they openly cry. Embracing their child for what they must know is the last time. As the mother hands her over to me, I feel the power radiating from the child. A daughter who is looking at me like she knows she must be silent if she doesn't wish to endanger anyone. She looks like any 6-month-old baby. What makes her different, though, are the thick curls framing her round face. Join us tomorrow at 6 for more KuNgano NaChengeto in 90, brought to you by Tigzozo Media. Thank you.